average power in an LCR circuit in one cycle is VRMS into IRMS into cos phi. Mathematics beda, physics yotsi. Stopping potential depends upon frequency. Proceeding to the next question. In a series LCR circuit, potential drop, voltage, potential drop across L, C and R are respectively 40 volts, 120 volts and 60 volts. I have to calculate the voltage of the source. ಒಂದು series LCR circuit ಇದೆ. ಇಂಡಕ್ಟರ್, ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. Potential drop across LCR ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, which is 40 volts across L, 120 volts across C, 60 volts across resistor. I have to calculate the voltage of the source or the resultant potential drop, where V equals, so this V is the resultant potential drop, or it is the potential across the source, will be root of VR square plus VL minus VC whole square. Very identical to your impedance expression, students. R square plus XL minus XC whole square baritiralva. The same expression modified in terms of potential. Root of VR square plus VL minus VL minus VC whole square. Or this is VR, potential drop across R, 60 square plus 120 minus 40 whole square. So this is on simplification, 60 square plus 80 square root. So the answer has to be 100 volts. Next one. In a series LCR circuit containing an EMF V and current I are given by the equation V equals V naught sin omega t, I equals I naught sin omega t plus pi by 3. The average power dissipated in this circuit over a cycle of AC. Noting it is average power. If you observe these two equations clearly, voltage ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಗಳು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ there is a phase difference here, phase difference phi, which is pi by 3. So for current there is a phase difference of pi by 3, and we know average power is always VRMS into IRMS into cos phi. Umpty number of times I have written this expression. Average power in an LCR circuit in one cycle is VRMS into IRMS into cos phi. VRMS is V naught by root 2. IRMS is I naught by root 2. Cos pi by 3 is half. Or this is V naught into I naught. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 into 2 is 4. The answer is V naught I naught divided by 4. Electromagnetic radiations used to sterilize milk. UV rays. You have studied the applications of UV rays. Now, a plain glass plate is placed over various colored letters: violet, green, yellow, red, etc. The letter which appears to be raised more. Raise. First violet ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Next green, yellow, etc. He says the letter which appears to be raised more. Raised ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. Normal shift. We have written normal shift is T into 1 minus 1 by n. For which of these letters shift is more? Normal shift is more. T is thickness. He has not spoken anything about the thickness. N is the refractive index. So according to the equation, normal shift is more if n is maximum. Normal shift will be more for that color whose refractive index is maximum, and which has maximum refractive index, so it is violet. So the color with maximum shift is violet. A ray of light passes through 4 transparent media with refractive index n1, n2, n3 and n4. The surface of all media are parallel. So if you observe, DE is parallel to AB. Therefore, n1 has to be equal to n4. Now, focal length of a convex lens is 20 centimeter. Focal length of a convex lens is 20 centimeter and its refractive index is 1.5. ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 20 centimeters. Refractive index ಎಷ್ಟು? 1.5. It produces an erect, enlarged image. The convex lens is producing erect, enlarged image if the distance of the object from the lens is, I have to calculate the object distance u. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ? Which will be the ideal substitution I can do? Mathematics ಬೇಡ, physics ಯೋಚಿಸಿ. ಗಮನಿಸಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, for a convex lens to produce erect and enlarged image, erect, virtual alla, erect, enlarged image, diminished alla, enlarged image, theory says magnitude of u should always be less than f. If this has to happen, object distance should always be less than f. Focal length ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 20 centimeter. Less than f if you observe the options, mere observation. C is the only option less than 20. So the answer is 15 centimeter. See, without any substitution, my theory told if a convex lens produces erect, enlarged image, please know magnitude of u should be less than f. So the answer is 15 centimeter. Many a times, please do this as an assignment. In Young's double slit experiment, the source of white light is used. One slit is covered with red filter, the other slit is covered with blue filter. There shall be no fringes formed, no interference at all, because the source is white light. Again, session 3 of the previous discussion, solved with the same numericals. Just refer. For what distance is ray optics in good approximation when the aperture is 4 millimeters and the wavelength is 400 nanometer? That distance is called Fresnel's distance. For good results in ray optics, Fresnel's distance is calculated as a square by lambda. Fresnel's distance, a is the width of the aperture, lambda is wavelength of light used. So this is 4 millimeter, 4 into 10 power minus 3 millimeter irodrinda whole square divided by 400 into 10 power minus 9. If you simplify, 400 meter will be the answer. Variation of photoelectric current. Again, frequencies of incident radiations, nu1, nu2 and 3 are shown. Then the correct option is C, because stopping potential depends upon frequency. The de Broglie wavelength of an electron accelerated to a potential of 400 volts. Lambda is h divided by root 2MEV. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ potential ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I have to express de Broglie wavelength in terms of potential. So I use this expression. So this is 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 divided by 2 into wavelength of an electron. So mass of an electron is 9 into 10 power minus 31. 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 is its charge. V is 400. So on simplification, fourth option will be the answer. So instantly you should develop that nature to simplify. I have given you the equation, substitution. Brisk simplification is your task. Total energy of an electron in an excited state of hydrogen atom is 3.4 electron volts in an excited state. Kinetic and potential energy of the electron in this state, potential energy is minus 2 times kinetic energy Please to know this expression. In any excited state, potential energy is minus 2 times kinetic energy. So the answer has to be, yes, the first option. This is again very clearly solved. So 3h by 2 pi is the answer. Here again 707x. So number of atoms remaining n naught 2 to the power n. Basic equation, initial number of atoms 2 to the power n. So n is time interval divided by half-life. So this is half. So n will be equal to initial number of atoms is 1000x. 2 to the power half is root 2. So nearly 707 will be the answer. Here x and y are isotopes because this is alpha decay. So x after alpha, y is formed. Yes. What happens to the atomic number, mass number? A minus 4, Z minus 2 plus He4 2. Again here Y to Z beta decay. Z because 2 electrons, mass number remains same, atomic number changes, they are isotopes. The nucleus of mass 20 units emits gamma ray photon of energy 6 mega electron volts. As this is happening, momentum of photon is getting converted as the momentum of the nucleus. Now, what is the momentum of a photon? You have clearly studied E by C. This is 2MEK. Now he says, if the emission assumes to occur when the nucleus is free and rest, then kinetic energy has to be calculated. Momentum of the photon, what are the properties of photon? E divided by C. 2MEK, momentum of the nucleus. Energy is 6 into 10 power 6. Conversion to joules into 10 power minus 19 divided by C. Speed of light equals root nucleus 1.6 27 units into 20 into EK. Simplify this, you get EK. This is again taken out from your syllabus, but the correct one is third one. Again, transistors, not studied. Last one, gates. So if you simplify, it is the OR gate. So again, students, I have analyzed the 2016 paper, Pinpoint Physical Concepts. Thank you. We'll meet again.